Can you help me out on this weird thing about how my Chromebook just never lets me use tabs for longer than 5 seconds and the tab crashes? So this to me sounds like a hardware issue. Won't spend too much time on this. If you've got like persistent bugs on a Chromebook, easiest thing to do is to give it a power wash. That's in settings, blows away the operating system, starts it from scratch. Of course, if you've got anything that is not already synchronized to your Chrome profile or saved, I mean, most things are automatically synchronized with a Chromebook, then just, back that stuff up. Power wash is effectively a format. It'll refresh it. If failing that, if you're still getting that to me sounds like hardware. Like it sounds like a RAM fault, because usually when you're opening and using tabs in Chrome, it's consuming RAM. And you'd either want to get a professional to check it out, or, I mean, most Chromebooks are pretty cheap. Maybe just buy another one. Or you could repurpose an old computer using Chrome OS Flex. That's also another option as well. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.